Hey everyone, back at you to continue to talk about resources under ISO 9001 2015 Clause 7. There's a lot of clauses, subclauses under Clause 7. Resources, of course, is an important element in what we do. This particular video talks about the monitoring and measurement tools, 7.1.5. So if a business requires something that needs to be calibrated, a meter, torque wrench, whatever it may be, they have to track that. So they have to, of course, know that they need it, and then they have to have it on an inventory, and then they have to ensure that it's being calibrated when it needs to be calibrated. Another important element, because this clause has a couple of subclauses under it itself, is that in addition to being tracked, monitored for what needs to be calibrated and when, there also needs to be some element within paperwork that ensures that device, whatever it is being tracked to the service that's being conducted. Oftentimes in many businesses, especially bigger ones, equipment will be numbered in some way. In addition, the individuals that are using it should also be annotating that they're using that item against whatever the work may be, because it's all about traceability. So you'll see that in that ISO standard about traceability. You got to be able to track the equipment to the work, because if the equipment itself is not calibrated within the time frame it should be, and you're using it, then you'll probably have to go back and redo whatever you're doing. No one really wants to rework. It's a waste of time, money, resources. So that's why it's important to have a program put in place. That's why this is here in ISO. It's part of the quality system to document what you need and track it for calibration, and then track it for when it's utilized. All right. It's all meant to be in place to ensure that you're doing what you need to for your customer and your client the right way the first time around. So no one wants to have to go back and redo it. All right, so do it right the first time, right? So any business that has all this needs to track this within their quality system. All right.